So good day everyone. We are here in Tagaytay to check this new foreclosed condo. This is in Wind Residences Tower 3. But before that, bago natin siya pasukin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So this is the unit. It's a corner unit. Pasukin na natin siya. So this is the unit. This is 42 square meters. Around 5.4 million, and the discounted price is at 4.9 million for approval. This is a corner unit, so meron siyang view ng amenity area. Andun ang swimming pool, basketball court, parks and playground, tennis court, may indoor pool din po dyan, and then function area and many more. So this is as is where is. So kung ano pong nakikita ninyo sa loob ng unit, ganyan po siya i-turn over. Kasama na po lahat ng mga fixtures and furniture sa turnover. And ang kagandahan dito, it has a balcony facing Taal or overlooking Taal. Zoom natin. O, ayan po siya. Yan, no? Ganda ng view, oh. Perfect. Okay? Pakaganda. Corner unit pa siya. Kaya meron siyang bintana sa gilid. And naganda rin ng view dito. Ayan, oh. Oh. Facing Tagaytay and amenity area. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message me directly. This is first come first serve, but if multiple offers ang ma-receive ng management, which is more likely to happen because ang ganda nga ng unit, ang ganda ng view, okay? A bidding may be conducted by the management. Discretion na po nila yon pag masyadong maraming nag-offer. So ayan po siya. Yan. Ganda niya po, 'di ba? Oh, kasama na po yung mga yung sofa na yan, yung bed na yan, table, chairs, yan. Yan pati yung mga lighting features ninyo. Yan. Kasama na po lahat yan. Deep cleaning lang po yan. Magagamit nyo pa po siya, especially if plano nyo po siyang parentahan or for Airbnb. But if you want, pwede nyo rin naman pong tanggalin yan, pero at your own expense na po. Kasi kasama po yan sa sale. As is where is po tayo. So, yung kitchen niya, babataas ang cabinets. Okay, so again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment here in Wind Residences Tagaytay, just shoot me a message. Ganda ng view, oh. Wow. Perfect. Overlooking Taal from your balcony. Game room. Start.